In this video, I'll show you how to apply for the Chase Freedom Unlimited card quickly and easily. First, go to chase.com and navigate to credit cards, then click Explore Credit Cards. Under the most popular rewards cards, you'll see Chase Freedom Unlimited. If not, scroll down and click Explore All Cards to find it. Click on the card to see details like 1.5% unlimited cashback, 0% intro APR for 15 months, $250 bonus, and $0 annual fee. A great option. To apply, either sign into your Chase account to make it faster or apply as a guest. Fill in your personal information like name, date of birth, social security number, and address. Read the terms carefully, check the box to agree, and click Submit. Once submitted, Chase will let you know if you're eligible. And that's it. You've applied. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials.